In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. It's very simple process, so just follow along. If your mouse isn't connecting properly, acting glitchy, or you want to remove your custom DPI or sensitivity profiles, this reset will help. Before I start, make sure the mouse is not connected to your PC. If it's plugged in through USB, unplug it. If you are using it wirelessly, turn it off or disconnect the dongle. The mouse must be completely disconnected before the reset. Now let's perform the reset. With the mouse unplugged, press and hold three buttons at the same time: left, scroll wheel, and right button. Keep all three buttons held down firmly. While still holding those three buttons, connect the mouse to your PC either through USB or by turning it back on. Continue holding the buttons for about 7 seconds after the connection is made. Once you have held them long enough, you can release the buttons. Your mouse should now be reset to factory default settings. If your mouse continues to act up after the reset, visit the official Razer support page or download the Razer software from their website to check for updates or driver issues. But in most cases, this button combination will solve your problem. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.